song? What is that? You want kids song? Technopoly? You alright, Jel? Alright, Jel? Kawi Miranda, welcome back. How are you, Kawi? Sing a song of One God. One God. That's the title of the song. Let me check. Crazy is good sometimes. Yes, you are right. You are right, Charles. Don't be too serious sometimes. Nitaida's Lifestyle, welcome back. How are you? One God, one God. Let me check. That mean women. Stanley, from where are you, Stanley? Good morning, Nitay. God bless you, Kumulidin. Thank you. Sikis, what is Sikis? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. I cannot forget. Oh my God. Caribbean alien. Oh, sorry, Saroj. I don't know that song. I don't know, but it's nice song actually. Fari Halloween, welcome back. Stanley, I'm from Philippines, Stanley. Alright, I am back. I was working for your channel. Working for my channel. Fari Halloween. Thank you so much, Fari Halloween. Kamoli din, thank you. Sarojja, sorry, I don't know that song. Sorry. Fari. Okay, Fari. Maybe you didn't subscribe to me. Joke, palagi mong pakinggan para sa iyo ang Amaze. Okay, BBS Las Vegas. Okay, I will check it. I will listen that always. Boxer, bye. Until I will learn the song. Hello, darling, you're looking fire today. I'm looking fire? Oh my God. Then we need fire extinguisher then. We need fire extinguisher. It's really hot here in Bahrain and I look fire. It's okay, Jan. Don't be too jealous. No, Jan is not jealous, boo. Fari Halloween, thank you. God bless you. I did subscribe from a few days ago. No worries, Fari. I'm just joking. I know that. I know that, Fari Halloween. Thank you so much. We used to be frightened and scared to try. You raise me up. You nice, you marry yet. Na? Stanley from... Dili ko kasabot. Charles, dili ko kasabot sa iyang gisulti, Charles. Oh. Fari, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of videos and lives. Dio Timal, hello. Welcome. You're welcome, and we went to that same place last time and now we went today, and my parent, like my grandma, accidentally bring her dog, and you're supposed to be a service dog. You bring your dog. Huh? Good now and all my life. Please, but I request, please. Good morning. You raise me up. The Jindras are gone.